Dear chemistry students and friends, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching NPTEL Chemistry E-class and I am your chemistry detective with solution of one new chemistry class 11th NCERT problem. So our problem is in 3 moles of ethane C2H6 we have to calculate the number of moles of carbon atoms, number of moles of hydrogen atoms and number of moles of ethane, number of molecules of ethane. Chemical formula of ethane is C2H6 and its molecular formula represents its 1 mole, and 1 mole of ethane contains 2 mole atoms of carbon and 6 mole atoms of hydrogen. This is the information conveyed by molecular formula of ethane. Molecular formula of ethane is C2H6. Its molecular formula represents its 1 mole. Molecular formula of ethane represents 1 mole of ethane, and 1 mole of ethane contains 2 moles of carbon atoms and 6 moles of hydrogen atoms, or I can say 1 mole of ethane contains 2 mole atoms of carbon and 6 mole atoms of hydrogen. On basis of this idea, I am able to solve first 2 parts of this question. First I will calculate number of moles of carbon atoms and I will start solving this part by this fundamental information, by this quantitative information, by this definite information about ethane that is conveyed to me by its molecular formula, that 1 mole of ethane contains 2 moles of carbon atoms. This is quantitative definite information about ethane, and it is conveyed to me by its molecular formula based on fact that its molecular formula represents 1 mole. Therefore, I have to calculate number of moles of carbon atoms in 3 moles of ethane. Therefore, 3 moles of ethane contain 2 multiplied by 3 moles of 2 multiplied by 3, and it will be equal to 6 moles of carbon atoms. This is answer. This is answer of first part, that number of moles of carbon atoms in 3 moles of ethane are 6. Second, now I have to answer this, number of moles of hydrogen atoms. same quantitative or definite information I will use, that 1 mole of ethane contains 1 mole of ethane contains 6 moles of hydrogen atoms. Therefore 3 moles of ethane will contain 6 into 3 is equal to 18 moles of hydrogen atoms. 18 mole atoms of hydrogen. Answer of first part is this: 3 moles of ethane will contain 6 mole atoms of carbon, and answer of second part is this, that 3 moles of ethane will contain 18 moles of hydrogen atoms. Now I need to answer its third part. In third part I have to calculate, in part third of this question I have to calculate number of molecules of ethane present in 3 moles. I will first write part third, number of molecules of ethane I have to calculate in 3 moles of ethane, in its 3 moles. This very part I will solve on basis of this idea, that 1 mole of compound contains Avogadro number of its molecules. 1 mole of compound represents 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules of this compound. So I will use this idea, that 1 mole of compound is actually equal to its 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules, Avogadro number of molecules. This is general for all the compounds. In any compound, for any compound, its 1 mole will contain 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. And if I apply this information on ethane, I will say that 1 mole of ethane contains 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. Therefore 3 moles of ethane contain number of molecules equal to 3 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules, and it will come equal to 3 moles of ethane will contain 18.066 into 10 raised power 23 molecules. This is the answer of third part. We needed to calculate, in this part we needed to calculate number of molecules of ethane present in its 3 moles. If you are asked to calculate number of atoms, now if you are asked to calculate number of atoms of carbon in 3 moles of ethane, you have to use this formula, that number of atoms in its one molecule, number of carbon atoms in its one molecule is 2, therefore number of carbon atoms in 18 into 10 raised power 23 molecules will be equal to 18 into 10 raised power 23 multiplied by 2. If you have to calculate total number of carbon atoms present in 18.066 into 10 raised power 23 molecules, or I will say, if you have to calculate number of carbon atoms present in 3 moles of ethane, what you need to do, you have to multiply total number of molecules of ethane and number of carbon atoms present in its one molecule. Number of carbon atoms present in its one molecule is number of carbon atoms present in its one molecule are 2. So what you need to do, you have to multiply total number of molecules of ethane by 2. Similarly, if you have to calculate total number of hydrogen atoms present in 3 moles of ethane, first you will calculate total number of molecules present in 3 moles of ethane. Then you have idea that one molecule has 6 atoms of hydrogen, therefore total number of hydrogen atoms in 3 moles of ethane will be equal to product of total number of molecules of ethane and number of hydrogen atoms present in one molecule, which is 6. So for calculating total number of carbon atoms, you have to multiply 18 into 10 raised power 23 by 2, and for calculation of number of hydrogen atoms, you have to multiply 18 into 10 raised power 23 by 6. This way you can find number of carbon atoms in 3 moles of ethane and number of hydrogen atoms in 3 moles of ethane. So I provided you ideas by which you can calculate first number of mole atoms of any element present in given moles of compound. Then you can calculate number of atoms of any element present in given moles of compound. For this you have to multiply total number of molecules by number of atoms of that element present in its one molecule. Thank you. This is what I have got for you in this short session. Take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. See you tomorrow with one new chemistry problem and its solution. Allah Hafiz.